Hey guys, welcome back to Versatile Knowledge. So if you guys have watched the Google Pixel 4 and the Pixel 4 XL's launch event that happened on October 15th, you might be knowing that Google has launched a new feature on its Pixel 4 and the Pixel 4 XL devices called the Motion Sense technology. So this Motion Sense technology uses some gestures that will be performed by the user in front of the smartphone to perform some features inside the smartphone. This Motion Sense technology is actually backed by Google's Project SOLI, which was introduced by Google way back in 2015. It was seen in some smartwatches, but now it has been integrated onto the Google Pixel 4 and the Pixel 4 XL smartphones. Project SOLI is a small chip which is actually 8mm x 10mm in size, which is present on the top bezel of the Google Pixel 4 smartphone. And this Project SOLI is a combination of antenna and radar. It actually emits electromagnetic radiations from the smartphone's sensor. Those electromagnetic radiations will hit the gestures that is performed by the user, and after hitting, it will go back to the sensor. It will compute using machine learning and other artificial intelligence mechanisms, and it will check what is the actual gesture that is performed by the user, and according to that it will perform that activity on the smartphone. So this Google's Project SOLI actually works on the basis of three main important things. Those three main important things are the presence, the reach, and the gestures. So the first important thing is presence. So if a person is present in front of the sensor for up to a foot or two, then the Google Project SOLI's sensor will get activated. The second point, that is reach, means up to what distance the electromagnetic waves can reach the hands or the gestures that is performed by the user. So the third point is the actual gestures. It may be the wave gesture, it may be the rotation gesture. So the presence, reach, and gestures are three most important components in order to make sure that this Project SOLI's whole mechanism works properly on the Pixel 4 smartphones. After the Pixel 4 and the Pixel 4 XL was launched, a series of press releases started coming that the Pixel 4 and the Pixel 4 XL smartphone will not be coming to India. Why the Pixel range of smartphones is not coming to India this year is because of the frequency band that the Pixel 4 smartphone uses for this Project SOLI sensor to work. So this Project SOLI uses a frequency in the range of 60 GHz, and in India the 58 GHz to 64 GHz spectrum band is not available for use for general public. It is actually banned by the government of India for the general public or the civilians to use any form of technology or any form of communication device which uses the 58 to 64 GHz frequency band. So this Project SOLI uses that sensor in that 60 GHz band. So that's why Google could not get permission from the government of India to bring this smartphone to India. But the second important reason that Google is not bringing their smartphone to India is because of their failure. India is the second largest smartphone market, and India is the second largest country in terms of smartphone data usage. So India is a huge market for smartphones, and the smartphones in the range of 10,000 to 20,000 accompany more than 70 to 80% of the market share. So the rest of the 20% of the sales happen in India is of the flagship smartphones or smartphones like Galaxy Note or the Huawei Mate or the iPhones, etc. And according to data, Google has only 1% of market share in Indian smartphone industry. That is because Google brought the Google Pixel, first generation of Google Pixel in India, which was considerably a hit when it compares to other smartphones in that range. It had a great camera, it had a dated design, but people did not care. Just because of the camera, people went ahead and purchased Google Pixel 1 smartphone. Next generation came the Pixel 2 and the Pixel 2 XL, which was priced extremely steep at around 80,000 rupees and had a lot of screen issues with the plastic OLED display that they used on the Pixel 2 and the Pixel 2 XL. And the next year, Pixel 3 and the Pixel 3 XL again was a flop in Indian market just because of worst design that is present on the Pixel 3 XL and also really high prices of the Pixel 3 and the Pixel 3 XL. Google tried to revive their smartphone sales by bringing the Pixel 3a and the Pixel 3a XL in India, but again they failed just because they priced it very high at 39,999 rupees, and in India right now at around 40,000 rupees you'll get an amazing flagship smartphone with some top of the line specification and around A grade cameras, if not A plus grade cameras. And I think this is the reason why Google has decided not to bring Pixel 4 and the Pixel 4 XL to India, and they have issued a statement that Google will continue to market its current products or any upcoming products in the Indian market, and they will not be bringing the Pixel 4 and Pixel 4 XL to India. Being a tech enthusiast myself, I was not that excited during the course of the Google Pixel 4 and the Pixel 4's live presentation itself. And after watching this, I was like,
while wide angle can be fun, we think telephoto is more important.
anyways, so until and unless Google finds a perfect marketing strategy for their Pixel line of smartphones in India, they will not be bringing any Pixel smartphones to India, I guess. Stay tuned to our channel. We'll be giving you instant updates if that is going to happen. So if you guys have enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more interesting content ahead. Thank you for watching, guys.